Hey guys, and it's German B11 here, and my first video is reviewing the server FusionPvP.net. So it's a really fun server. I've been playing on it for about like 10 minutes. I'm gonna go check out the warm Q bill. The owner suggested it. So yeah, there's a lot of heads over here. It's pretty cool. If I do say so myself. Um, as you can see, oh, there's a kid right there. Let's go take him out. Wait, I'm gonna kill him so easy. Alright, wait, let me concentrate, guys.